We will start lesson 8, teeth and microbes. Sometime your mother tells you not to eat too many sweets. Why? Does she say so? Yes, because your teeth will spoil and damage. That's why your mother tell you not to eat too much sweets. Now we'll study about teeth. Everybody has teeth inside his or her mouth. We have teeth inside in our mouth. Teeth are hard bony structures and teeth in structure very hard and bony. The hard material of the tooth is composed of calcium and phosphorus, and our tooth and teeth are made up of calcium and phosphorus. Teeth grow in the jaws, and our teeth are made up of calcium and phosphorus, and it is in the jaws. We have one upper jaw and one lower jaw. You can see in the pictures we have jaws, one in upper and one in lower. They are necessary for chewing the food that we eat. And what is the use of our teeth? It is the use of chewing the food. Besides, they give shape and appearance to the face, and it gives shape of our face. Also, they help us in speaking clearly, and we are usually speak clearly because of teeth. In our lifetime, we get 2 sets of teeth. How many teeth we get? 2 sets. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth are 20 in total and permanent teeth are 32 in total. Permanent teeth how many are? 32 and milk teeth are 20. We all are born without teeth. When we born at the time, there were no teeth. Thus a baby drinks only milk. That's why a baby drinks only milk. After few months, teeth begins to grow. But after some times, teeth begins to grow. By 2.5 years, about 20 teeth come up. When a child become 1.5 years, about 20 teeth comes up. These are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. We can call it temporary teeth or milk teeth. When the child is about 6 years of age, the milk teeth begins to fall off one by one. When child becomes 6 years old, milk teeth begin to fall off one by one. जब ये बच्चा 6 इयर्स का हो जाता है तो जो मिल्क टीथ होता है वो एक एक करके वो टूटता जाता है. न्यू परमानेंट टीथ ग्रो इन देयर प्लेसेस. जब वो मिल्क टीथ टूट जाता है तो उसकी जगह पे परमानेंट टीथ या तो फिर नया टीथ ग्रो करता है. किसकी जगह पे? मिल्क टीथ की जगह पे, उसी स्थान पर. ए ग्रोन अप अडल्ट हैज़ ए सेट ऑफ 32 परमानेंट टीथ. जब अडल्ट हो जाता है तो फिर उसके कितने टीथ आ जाते हैं? 32. अपर में कितना होता है? 16 और फिर लोअर में 16. फिर दोनों मिला के कितने हो गए? 32. 16 इन ईच अपर एंड द लोअर. 16 ऊपर होते हैं और 16 नीचे के साइड में होते हैं.